In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate CloseBot with GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have CloseBot connected inside your GoHighLevel account, so you can start leveraging it alongside your existing funnels, pipelines, and automations. Have your GoHighLevel workspace open so you can follow along in real time. We'll begin in the App Marketplace. This is the central place inside GoHighLevel where you can discover and add verified integrations. Look for the App Marketplace in the left-hand navigation and click it to open the catalog. You'll see a searchable gallery of apps along with categories and featured tools. The Marketplace view may take a second to load the first time. That's normal. Once you're in the Marketplace, use the search bar and type CloseBot. Spelling matters here, so type it exactly as one word. You don't need to worry about capitalization. If you don't immediately see the app, clear any active filters or switch to the All Apps view. Occasionally, network filters or ad blockers can hide thumbnails, so if tiles look blank, give the page a quick refresh. When the CloseBot listing appears, click it to open the app's detail page. This page is helpful to verify you've got the right tool, read a short description, review any screenshots, and see what the latest version supports. If your account has multiple locations, confirm you're viewing the correct one at the top of the page so the install goes where you expect. On the app detail page, click Install. This kicks off the authorization flow that connects CloseBot to your GoHighLevel workspace. A brief spinner or progress bar may appear while the system prepares the permissions screen. Next, you'll see a prompt to allow and install. This screen shows the permissions CloseBot needs in order to function, such as access to relevant data, or the ability to perform actions on your behalf inside GoHighLevel. Take a moment to review these details and proceed only if they look right for your use case. When you're ready, click Allow and Install to confirm. After you allow the integration, the installation completes in just a moment. You should see a confirmation message, and CloseBot will be available under your installed apps in the Marketplace. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page or revisit the Marketplace tab. If you still don't see it, make sure your user role has permission to manage integrations. That's all there is to it. Open the App Marketplace, search for CloseBot, select the listing, click Install, and confirm with Allow and Install. You're now set to start using CloseBot within GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.